Okay, so if you've liked the previous videos that I've done on the Echo Dot and other things like that, then please do remember to subscribe, because I'll be doing more content on this and upcoming updates on these devices as well on going forward. So if you like this kind of content, do remember to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you very much. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about the announcement feature. Now, if you have more than one of these, or even if you don't actually, but if you have more than one of these around your house, and you want to make an announcement, say that dinner's ready or whatever, then you can do that on here. If you make an announcement, it will play it to all of the devices in your home. That includes the Echo Show. It also includes Fire TV. It will come up as an announcement on the screen. If you have the Amazon app or the the Alexa app on your phone, it will also show up on there as well. So it's a great thing to send an announcement to everyone who may need to know about it. And it's very simple to do. All you do is you say, Alexa, make an announcement.
What's the announcement?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Announcing.
Don't forget to subscribe. And you may have heard an echo there. That's because there's more than one of these in the house. So basically, every one of these devices in the house will make that announcement. So so if you want to call people to dinner, just say, hey, dinner's ready, and it will play it to everybody in the house that has one of these. So I think that's quite a nice little feature actually, and I'll be doing some more of these videos in the future. So stay tuned.